Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why it's so important and essential for you to be batching your photo shoots for yourself, for your personal brand, and for your portfolio. Let's dive in. Okay, so what is batch content? Batching your content is when you're creating multiple photo shoots in one sitting. So that means maybe you have multiple different outfits, maybe 3 to 5 outfits, and you're shooting all of those at one time. And the reason why you want to do that is because it will allow you to have so much consistency. Like you'll be able to pull things from that shoot and implement them in multiple parts of your business. You'll be able to use it for behind the scenes. Behind the scenes content is everything. This day and time, people really want to see you working behind the scenes. And I've had 13 years in the game, and one of the things I really wish I had was an intern that just followed me around and videoed everything, because you'd really be able to see all the things that it takes in order to produce not only a photo shoot but also style an individual person. And one of the things, again, that batching your content will do is allow you to get different visuals of you styling multiple different looks, why you created those looks, what went into the process of it, maybe the things that were in your head and the reason why you put those outfits together. So that is great. And again, you can use batching your content not just for photo shoots, but also for creating your overall content as a whole. Maybe you're having maybe an hour just to shoot a bunch of reels at one time, or maybe you're editing a bunch of different graphics that you can use for the month. Batching your content is going to allow you to be consistent because you're going to have it right there in hand and not have to think about it every time you need content for something. Another benefit of batching your content is that you're going to be forced to start to build relationships with people that are going to help you produce these shoots. And I'm always teaching my students in Becoming a Stylist Bootcamp that relationships are key, but having the right relationships, the relationships that are going to help you build your tribe in order to produce the content and business that you want, is going to be essential for you and in the longevity of your business. So that's makeup artists, that's photographers, that's MUAs. Those are different people that you're going to want to start building relationships with. And so having batch content is going to force you to reach out to different people, because maybe one day that photographer is not ready, or maybe one day that MUA is not available. Then you'll be able to work with other people and you'll have multiple creatives that you can always partner with. And eventually, when things start to come up, they'll reach out to you and you'll be able to be more in a flow of bookings or creating shoots, and it's going to be great for your business. The next reason why batching content is going to be great is because you can use them on multiple different platforms. You can use your photo shoots for your website. You can use, your batch content for your portfolio. You can use your batch content for creating stationery that you need. Maybe it's for a business card. Maybe it's for a brochure that you're going to be giving to different stores that you want to reach out to or work with. Maybe it's for your deck and you're going to pitch your services in your business to someone else. Batching your content for creating stationery items and things that you can use to build your overall brand is going to be essential. Now, I do want to let you know that batching your content does not have to just be for photo shoots of other people, but you should be thinking about this for your own personal brand. As a stylist, you are building your brand first. People want to see visually your aesthetic and how you're creating your outfits and the things that you're producing before they actually work with you. So being able to have multiple different batch shoots content for your personal brand, whether that be a photo shoot for yourself, headshots, a full body shoot, multiple of those in one sitting, is going to allow you to look like your business is staying consistent. And not just look, it really is, because you're putting the groundwork in. You're just showing people the aftermath of what it looks like when you're working consistently, producing your photo shoots, your content, and just showing them what it looks like. Okay, so the next reason is going to be, it's going to allow you to build brand authority. And that kind of ties into what we were just talking about, but showing your work consistently, showing your behind the scenes, showing your content and your photo shoots and your different styling aesthetics on a consistent basis is going to bring brand authority. Like, people are going to see your work. They're going to see the consistency of your work. They're going to see the skills that you have in order to produce certain, styles and concepts, and it's going to help you build brand authority. And that is most important. I see a lot of times stylists will have, their in their bio styling, but none of their content has anything related to styling, like nothing, like no photo shoots, no graphics or things that are allowing people to really understand what it is that they're doing and how they're actually servicing and providing, offering their packages to people. So really think about that when you are creating your content and batching your shoots, because you want to showcase that your Instagram, any social, your TikTok, your Pinterest, whatever platform that you have is literally going to be your business card. It's a digital business card. So you need to be thinking about that when you're producing your content and when you're posting. So yes, batching your content is going to allow brand authority and people to really see who your services are for, the type of styling aesthetic that you have, and your personality. People want to really know who you are and why they should work with you. How can you make them feel better? How can you enhance their life through fashion? So whether that be personal styling, whether that be a celebrity stylist, even an artist who's looking for someone to work with them for a photo shoot or a music video, people are going to want to see your aesthetic. So batching content shoots is going to be great. Now here's a tip. When you're batching your shoots, make sure that you're doing it according to a theme. So for example, if I'm doing a batch shoot for professional athletes, I'm going to get a bunch of different models that look like professional athletes or who are professional athletes and create multiple shoots in one day with the same photographer, same makeup artist, and I'm going to work with them. Now, you don't necessarily have to have multiple different models, but you can have multiple different looks, and that's still considered batching your content. And it's going to help you because you're not going to have to worry about having to produce content every week. And you can batch enough where you have some content for a month or 2 months out. You don't have to worry about it, and you can really focus on, preparing for the next one because you've already had a load, a stack of different things that you can post and showcase throughout that period while you're planning for the next one. Okay, and the next benefit of batching your content is going to help you get more and more efficient with producing and creating. And the more you practice, the more that you continue to do the same skill over and over again, you're going to get better and better and better. And that is the beauty of it all. Batching allows you to create and do things over and over and over again in one sitting so that the next time you'll be better and better and better. So batching your content is going to help you be more efficient in creating the skill that you need in order to produce more quickly, more efficiently, and it's going to actually show in your work. So even in my last video when I was discussing creating content for a portfolio and then submitting it to Caviar, the more and more you do that, the better and better you're going to get, and the more and more magazines are going to reach out to you on that platform. Like, a lot of magazines will reach out to you for your work once they see that you're consistently producing. Like, you could produce multiple shoots with one photographer in that day and submit to multiple different magazines on caviar.com. So your work could actually be in 3 to 4 magazines from one day's shoot. So really think about that. Batching your content is going to allow you to use that content for many different things, and you want to start thinking about how you can expand all of your work and not just have it in one place. You know, people want to see it in multiple different ways. For example, I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, I'm also on TikTok. I'm available for people to be able to see me on the platforms that they love to use the most, and you want your content to be used in the same way. You can produce a photo shoot for a magazine, you can produce a photo shoot for your website, you can produce a photo shoot for content on your social media handles. You'll be able to use that in many different ways, and you'll have much more to work with when you're batching your content. So I hope this video really helps you guys understand batching content. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, because I'd love to hear your feedback. I'd love to know if you have any questions. Are you stuck anywhere? Where can I help you? Because here we are going to help you elevate your business, your brand, and your life all in a whole. If you are desiring to become a fashion stylist, definitely make sure that you click the link somewhere down here where you can join Becoming a Stylist Bootcamp, so that I can help you produce that content, batch your content, and get out there to get started and booked in your business. Till next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.